My father puts your pores, my Velcro sticks to yours. You can't leave, but thanks for trying. What I like about your Velcro is it sticks to mine. And I'm the fashion conscientious guy who wears whatever it takes to keep warm. And you're the girl who's gotta match your hat to your shoes. So quit your bitching, baby, cause you know that you're pretty, and I'll never interfere with your fashion. I'm just the ugly man who gets to look a little better when I'm with you. Please adhere to me, stuck to you's where I wanna be. We'll stay together cause we're sticky. Hold my satellite, orbit with me tonight. Release this stellar Velcro love. I don't need buttons on my sleeve, I don't need snaps that shine, I don't need laces to tie me to you, I don't need zippers that bind, I don't need drawstrings, I don't need clips, but I do need your velveteen lips stuck here on mine. Not like the way your lips are sticky. If you advance, then I retreat, but I come back if you try to leave. It's like our planets are tied to string. Oh, 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 pity. Please adhere to me, stuck to you's where I wanna be. Please adhere to me. I'm sure we'd stick together better if you weren't so far gone. Maybe I found the one thing that will our different garments find. My Velcro sticks to yours, and yours sticks to mine. Like waves that lick the shore, my Velcro sticks to yours. Like leaves up in the tree, we're similar entities. Like candy in the candy jar, we're hard to pull apart. Like your slick memory, baby, my Velcro sticks to yours. Adhesion is nice, it's something we all should try. And you can quote me when I say this world would be a better place to live if everyone was a little more